Do you remember the story about Chicken Little? The young chicken that thought the sky was falling. When we see cracks in our home, it may make us feel like our home is falling in. Stay tuned as I explain what can be done if you notice cracks on the interior and exterior of your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Noticing cracks on the drywall, above a door, or on the exterior below your siding can be scary. In this video, I'll let you know if your house is falling in, what causes the cracks, and if they can be fixed. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So when we talk about falling in, we think of something very sudden comes crashing down. Outside of extraordinary events such as sinkholes, earthquakes, or things like that. But what we have to pay attention to is that every home has a critical point. What I mean by a critical point is how far can the wall bow in before it completely falls in? How far can your house settle before everything gives up? And so every home has this critical point. So you want to watch these signs so that you catch it before your home gets to that critical point. There are many different things that can cause cracks in your home. When you're talking about brick, block, or even poured concrete, there's an old verbiage that says there's two types of concrete, the kind that has cracked and the kind that's going to crack. What we need to determine is what caused it to crack. Concrete's always expanding and contracting due to moisture, temperatures, and the older age. And so we have to make sure that it's not just a crack that just develops because the concrete is going through its life cycle. So when we see a crack, we first want to determine, is this because the wall's bowing? Is this because your home is settling, your floors are sagging? Or is this just a moisture getting into those mortar joints or the concrete continuing to cure out? And that's the biggest job of our project advisors when they come out and look at your home. So like I've kind of talked about, cracks are usually a symptom. And so when we look at fixing cracks, first we're going to want to look at fixing the underlying problem. Is the home settling? Are the walls bowing? Are the floors sagging? Once that's been tackled, then usually the cracks are just cosmetic. So whether that's re-tuck pointing or filling in those cracks with mortar or even a caulking compound to make sure that it's sealed up so that it's protected from the weather, that can all easily be done. But first you want to make sure that you tackled the underlying problem. If you just fix the crack without tackling the problem and just the symptom, that crack will definitely come back and reappear. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about cracks around your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.